Zubin Garg is a phenomenal, once-in-a-lifetime talent, a wonderful human being, multilingual, who was popular both in Assam and Bengal, who could sing in the different ethnic languages and tribal languages of Assam. Also a composer, also someone who acted, and this kind of generational talent we will not have for many years, and the people of Assam are just traumatized at this sudden loss of their legend, of this giant, and it behoves the Assam government to speak to the government of India to award Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Bharat Ratna